Now, they say money doesn't grow on trees, but guess what? It's simply mind-boggling that I discovered a unique approach to create an extra $2,000 up to $6,000 for several passive income streams, funneling cash into your account on total autopilot day in and day out. And it's the closest thing to having a license to print money. So if I were you, I would stay here with me and watch today's video to follow my simple directions and earn money. The majority of people will close this video, which is the absolute worst. If you skip forward, you'll obviously lose out on the essential steps that might potentially set you up for financial independence, and I don't want that to happen to you. So prepare yourself, because this is gonna be fantastic. Trust me when I say that what you're about to see in this short video could alter everything for you. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2021. I'll show you how to leverage the best and most effective platforms to make money quickly. Stay tuned and watch the video until the end if you're interested. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online on a daily basis. So make sure you finish watching the video and stay tuned whenever we release a new method so you can be the first and one of the first to try it out. Like and comment down below. It will help us with the YouTube algorithm and will reach a larger audience. Before I show you anything, please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and switch on notifications, and you'll be notified anytime I submit a new video. With that said, let's get right into the tutorial. This is reddit.com, and this is the website that we're gonna be using today to make money online. But before that, I'm gonna show you the first website right here in front of your screen. Basically, this website is where you can find a lot of different campaigns and different companies that you can join and start earning daily commissions online from. Take a look at this, how this secret tool works for affiliate marketers. Step number 1, as you can see here, you have to sign up now. Click on the Become a Booster button below. It takes less than 2 minutes to sign up and it's completely free. You don't need any money and you don't need any credit card to do this, and of course, I'll show you in just a moment exactly how to sign up. Moving on to the next step, you're gonna select a campaign, and don't worry, because if you keep watching, I'll show you how to select the highest earning campaign that you should focus on, especially when you combine it with this website right here with Reddit to make you a lot of money. It's actually much easier than you think. As you can see here, you can browse through this marketplace of hundreds and thousands of different campaigns to select the campaigns that you want to promote, and when you promote them, step number 3 right here is that you can spread the word, meaning you can share this unique booster link and you can start earning commissions. So first, I'm gonna sign up for a free account. When you scroll down to the bottom, I want you to go ahead and click on this sign up button, and on the top right hand corner, click on this button right here, and then you're gonna come on to this page where you can see this. Now, there are basically 2 categories that you have to select. You and I, we are the booster, and we are the affiliates where we can earn commissions. So make sure it says affiliate marketers here. Moving on, you have to enter your name, and this could be your username. I'm gonna put in my username and then my email address. After that, choose your referral code, and this is very important because this code right here will be unique to you. For me, I'm gonna put in digital cash flow, and this is my referral code. So just go ahead and put in the password and just click on this, and then click on submit. It's actually a very simple process. It would take you about 1 to 2 minutes to do this. So once you click on the button, you're able to log into your Kickbooster account. As you can see, this is my dashboard. To get started, you can see here your account has been confirmed. Right now, it's very important to make sure you check your email inbox for the second email. Again, I'll show you everything step by step in this video so that I can save you a lot of time and you don't have to go through the training anymore. Okay, so as you can see here, when I log into my account in kickbooster.me, yes, this is our secret tool for today's method, and so you could just go ahead and click on the marketplace. Click on marketplace and you're gonna see featured campaign, where you can find different projects and different campaigns that you can promote and boost, meaning that you can get your link and then you're gonna share them on reddit.com, and then we'll start making money and earning commissions. So make sure you keep watching to learn everything. So right over here, you can see that there are many different campaigns. For example, design, everyday carry, fashion, health, and food. there are so many things that we can promote and make money on this opportunity. So right over here, you can see sort by when you click on the down arrow. Right over here, you can sort by most funded, ending soon, or commissioned from high to low. For my personal strategy, I'll select our latest pick. This is because you can see the top recommended program by this website on the marketplace because this is the hottest offer, or this is the most recommended offer, and that's going to help you save a lot of time without having to do your own research, and you can easily find the best highest earning campaign to instantly promote and earn a lot of money fast. Right over here, you can literally see that there are hundreds and hundreds of campaigns that you can choose from. Now, I'm going to give you a real life example on exactly how to do this. First off, I want you to go down below and click on this Boost This Campaign. Click on this link below, and then you're gonna come over to this page. You can see this campaign right here where you can be earning money, promote this campaign, and then you can earn a good commission. As you can see here, you'll be able to receive a commission whenever you promote this campaign, and they will be paying you for what you did directly to your bank. You can see that when you scroll down below, share your campaign URL. This is going to be the link that you have to share on Reddit, and then we can make money online, and I'll show you all the steps in this video. Again, you could just go and highlight everything and just copy this link, or you can click on this little icon here and see copied. Copy the link, and then we'll be using it later on because I'll show you exactly how to use them on Reddit. But right now, I'll show you when people click on this link, they're going to go onto the page which you can see here, this campaign right here. You can see that they have over this amount of money already being gathered on this campaign, meaning that this is actually working right now and you're able to make a lot of money by promoting the exact same campaign. So whenever you share this campaign and whenever you share this link and when people click on your referral link, they're eventually going to come over to this website, and then they're going to go ahead and watch this video, and eventually if they're interested, they're going to go and click on this green button right here, back this project, and then they're gonna put in their money inside this project. For example, $25, $163, or $600 and more. As you can see here, you will be rewarded with this amount of commission for every dollar that you help them to raise for their campaign. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends. Hit the red subscribe button and leave a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will receive money soon, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than this, where you can get money doing simple things like this. So if we get 1,000 likes on this video, we'll launch an insane brand new video that might be even cooler than this. So comment, I will receive money soon, down below. We'll be releasing a new video next week to show you how to make even more money online by performing basic jobs like these on your computers or phones. So let's get back to the video now. Okay, now what I want you to do is go on to Reddit, and then you're gonna click on this blue button which says sign up, and then you'll come out to this page which says by having a Reddit account, you can join, vote, comment on all your favorite Reddit content. So you just have to put in your email address right here, just click on the next button. Right over here, we can start posting on the Reddit website where you can get so many votes, so many clicks, and so many views on your posts. When you go on to the search bar, type in a keyword which is mobile phone, and you just press on the search button. And there are so many different communities as you can see here, which is the reason why we're gonna focus on mobile phone categories. For example, this one is a camera community. This one is for filmmakers, and this one here is for videography community with over millions of members. And right here, they also have millions of members. You're gonna get so many views and so many clicks on your campaign and on your unique referral link, and when people click on your link, they're gonna go over here and they're gonna look through the pages, watch the video, and if they eventually put in their money into the fund to support the campaign, then you're earning a good amount of commissions by doing that. So right now, I'll give you my personal supercharged Reddit post that you could put in Reddit. Just copy and paste this. So as you can see here, this is the Reddit post number 1. You can just read everything right here, and you can just literally copy everything in this campaign and just put in the last link right here. Feel free to learn more about this, and this is where you're gonna put in your link. So remember, this is your unique campaign link. You just have to copy this link or just click on the copy button and you can just go back to the Reddit post, paste this template right here, and when you scroll down below, you just have to put in your link and just delete this one and put in your link right here. Simple as that. This is your referral code. As you can see here, when people click on this link, they're gonna come on to this page, and when people buy something on this campaign, you can earn a good percentage of the commission. You can see here that for absolutely free, there are so many campaigns that you can join on the Kickbooster website, and you can earn so much commission over and over again, especially if you combine it with this Reddit strategy to get free targeted traffic to click on your link. This is a very powerful community where you can use my script. Just remember to change it to your unique URL link. This way, you're gonna earn a lot of commissions by getting so many clicks and so many views, and that's it. Alright, well that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it until the end of this video, just know that you'll start making money if you decided to step up. Don't let your emotions control you. Get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you did make it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure to check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do, just like to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and like this video. If you want to see more money making videos, click on the next video as shown on the screen following this tutorial. Okay, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.